Hello, welcome back. Welcome to week 8 of my independent study. So this week there were 2 lessons. One of the lessons was just furthering my understanding of the funk groove and kind of building my own independence on that. And I also doubled the notes. So normally we would only do bass drum pairings in groups of 1 or 2. Now we do them in groups of 3 or 4. So instead of something like this, now you can use 3 or 4 hits at a time on the bass pedal. And in the second lesson, I learned the 5-stroke rule, which is basically, I start to get into like a different hand grip as it gets faster. But for now, it's just, I'll play it on the hi-hat here. It's right, left, right, left, right. Now, that's if I were doing it slow. But really it becomes a 2 double strokes and then a single stroke. So just like that. Now that's using a wrist motion though. Because if you think about it, if I go really fast and try to use a wrist, this is what happens. Like, I start to mess up, right? Now, what if I could do 2 hits in 1 wrist motion, like this. So I'm pinching and I'm controlling the stick to where I can play 2 notes with 1 stroke. So now I can double the speed that I could play with before. So now I can go continuous double stroke rolls. Much faster. So now I can play the 5-stroke roll much quicker. Just like that. So now I can actually use that 5-stroke roll on the drums. So first I'll play a beat. Usually you use the 5-stroke roll on the hi-hats like this. Just like that. It just kind of adds this more complex accent to the beat. And then you can also actually extend the 5-stroke roll to fills. So it's going to sound a little like this. So those are actually the 2 lessons, and 1 note on my warm-up. I've actually added now the 5-stroke roll as a rudiment to the warm-up, just to warm up the thumbs a little bit more. And this week I increased. I didn't really increase my speed yet, mainly because I've been focusing on form and control more than speed. So I'll do 130 BPM for much longer now instead of just doing it for like one measure and then stopping, because I really want to train the endurance now. So here's a little playing demonstration of everything I've learned in the week. And finally, here's a little playing demonstration from earlier in the week, just a little freestyle. Thanks for watching. See you next week.